Habibi, come to Dubai. You say that money cannot buy happiness? Habibi, come to Dubai. Habibi, come to Dubai. Habibi, come to Dubai. Habibi, come to Dubai.
Environmental advocacy twatunanje kuno wa kane igikorwa cyo gusukura imiserege yo mu makaritsiye mwame ya gatandatu n'iya gatatu yo muri zone ya Ngagara tukaba bigize mu ntumbero kugira ngo iyo zone igire isuku rikwiye ukagwagenda rukuramo uwo mwanya no gucupa byazuye imiserege amazi ataragitemba neza.
Uno munsi mpuzamakungu hariwe isi rero twebwe nk'urwaruka rukiye mu ishyirahamwe Oasis Green twari twifuje kwifatanya n'amakungu kugira ngo twe natwe twerekane yuko tutasigaye inyuma nk'urwaruka rw'u Burundi mu gukingira ibidukikije. Nico gituma twagerageje guhimiriza urwaruka rwose rushoboka kugira ngo tugire icyo dukoze.
Gukingira ibidukikije si igikorwa coroshe, ariko rero urwo rwaruka rukabikora mu ntumbero yo gutegura isi nziza ku bubu n'abazovuka.
Ishyirahamwe ryacu ni nk'uko izina ribivuga ni Youth Committed to Environmental Advocacy. Ugerageje kwivuga mu Kirundi ni ugwaruka biyemeje gukingira no kubungabunga ibidukikije. Murabona ko si ikintu coroshe kuko bisaba kwitanga, bisaba uburyo bwinshi. Urugwaruka tuba turi kumwe hanini uko baba bikunda kandi baba bifuza kubaho mu isi imeze neza, bashaka yuko ejo ba mu gihugu mu isi imeze neza, mbese n'urubyaro ruri imbere kugira ngo abana bacu bazobeho ubuzima bwiza, babeho mu miryango nziza.
Ukubura uburyo ni kimwe mu ntambamyi urwaruka ruhura nazo bikanatuma badashika ku ntumbero ko bavyifuje.
Kuba nk'iki turahura n'intambamyi, turahura n'ingorane zijanye n'uburyo, ko urabona ko ibikorwa nk'ibi bitunganyijwe bisaba uburyo bwinshi, bisaba kwitanga. Ahanini ashaka gushimira kandi cyane cyane urwaruka kubona kwitanga kuko n'amashirahamwe bakora atakintu cy'inyungu gihari, ahanini babikora kubera babikunze. Muri ibi bikorwa rero bigarukira mu gukingira, mu gutera ibiti gusa, turagerageza no kurwanya akamwanya plastique. Icyo gituma twashaka gutera akamo gushora mu gihugu gushika indongozi zo hasi hamwe n'amashirahamwe bishoboye kugira azarafata mu mugongo ibikorwa neza.
Up the beach, the predominant trash that we found were cigarette butts and single-use plastic. Yes, the global eco army equals nothing. And we're just doing our part by keeping the beaches clean. Equals nothing. You're welcome. Exactly.
Oh a big project here. Good job. It would be nice to not put these things in here to begin with.
I cannot reach that one.
Oh, that's fine. We'll get to it in a second.
Yeah, thanks Alicia and the Global Eco Navy for all you do to help clean up and keep the river clean here in the city of Tampa.
Thank you. Thank you for coming.
Well, thank you guys. Have a great day. Again, I'm jealous I'm not with you today.
Something that's worth more than gold. Anywhere I got you beside me is home. Yeah, we got so much. As long as we got us, we got everything that we need. If we didn't have a dime, somehow we still get by. You and I, we could live on love. I'll be fine with being on the street. I'm good being anywhere if you're there with me. Yeah, I got it all, everything I want. Cause you're everything that I need. If we're down to one last time, somehow we'd be just fine. You and I can live on love. Love is enough. This is all we needed, needed, needed. We could.
We're here with Sabrina Lion with Stitch logo, and she has been our lovely friend that has been introduced to us by Mickey Reckmer. He's our former Chief Operating Officer, and we couldn't be more thankful for him for introducing us to you and also another gentleman that came in today as well. I am so grateful for individuals that build our nonprofit in such a way, and we look forward to having our logos, done with you in the uniforms. That's my dream. Once we have 7 billion soldiers, you're gonna be a busy girl. So please tell us a little bit, about what you find unique about Global Eco Army, and how can you aid to our long-term success and vision for the nonprofit.
One of my favorite things about Global Eco Army is actually you and your dedication and motivation and passion behind what you do, which is why Global Eco Army is making the impact that they're making. Your constant drive to make the planet a better place, to reduce the amount of plastic that's in the universe and find creative ways and new ways to utilize that.
In the universe.
Yeah, in the universe, whole planet, all of it.
Galaxy Eco Army, right?
Satellites are out there in space floating around. You never know. That's the next thing.
Pollution and debris. Yeah, we'll take care of that next for sure.
There you go.
Instead of launching rockets, we're gonna clear up the satellite debris. I promise that's gonna be on our checklist.
Like, oh dang, that's a great idea.
Actually, we will have a Global Eco Space Force in the near future. We have a solar shade going on, and that's like a whole different level project. We're starting baby steps right now, so people understand a little bit about what we do. Planting trees is a very basic concept that anybody can do, but then we're gonna go into more of the science fiction in real time, you know, like it's gonna be amazing, you know, like $1 trillion industry. So stay tuned, you know, I'm bringing you with, you're gonna be at least a billionaire with us, so don't worry about that.
Help make change happen. That's really why I'm here. I'm excited to help contribute in the way of letting you create your own unique identity, so you would be recognized around the globe when you're doing projects, when you're doing all these service-based things, especially the cleanup that they're doing around the world. And I saw the pictures Mexico posted and all the trees that they're planting is just phenomenal. And to be able to have that brand identity, that walking around people know, will also create more awareness. Oh, hey, what is Global Eco Army? And you have an opportunity now to talk about that because you have a way to represent yourselves. So that's what I'm looking forward to, and just getting my community and the people that I know involved, whether through service or donations, and even just ideas and their strengths as well, and see how we can help you guys and just support what you're doing.
Sabrina, thank you so much. Just being here today is such a blessing. We really appreciate your, you know, wonderful energy, your vibe, your aura. It's everything. So, you know, we have a lot of work ahead, but we'll get it done. So thank you so much for coming.